Let me tell you the secrets to connect with your Ishta Devtas and get your wish fulfilled. First of all, you need to understand which deity you would like to worship. For example, if you wish to seek help and guidances from Lord Hanuman, then you should keep in mind who does he like the most. As we know that he is the greatest devotee of Lord Sri Rama, so begin your chant by worshipping Lord Ram before you pray Lord Hanuman. This process will deeply connect you to the Ishta Devta and your prayers will be answered sooner. If I have to give you another example, then while worshipping Sri Krishna, chanting the mantra of goddess Radha followed by Sri Krishna stotras will be highly beneficial. You can follow the same procedure with any deity that you would like to worship. It doesn't matter which religion you belong to. For more such updates, stay tuned.